G'day everyone, what's up? And in this video I'm explaining what I did on the update on part 2 for my build series on this RC car. I'll be explaining what I've done on this RC car so far. I've drilled a hole and got the antenna through here. Glued the main battery down.
I just lined a big dab of glue along here. There is some glue underneath, but that's what I'm showing at the moment.
As you can also see along here. For the battery box, I didn't put too much glue just in case I need to take it off and glue it somewhere else. Glued the circuit board down. You can also see from here, done a little bit of cable management. These wires here, I only hot glued them to the edge of the actual box. And that is because just in case I need to use them again or resolder, I can just peel it straight off. I'm also going to have to get a brand new 9-volt battery because I don't have any charged ones at the moment. But that's pretty much it for this video, and I'll see you in the next video.